Elliptical motor control board replacement. Begin by unplugging the unit from the wall. Remove the console mast boot and the top covers. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws for the side covers. We recommend removing the screws from the user's right side only. On the rear cover, remove all 4 screws. Using an Allen key, remove the bolt at the pedal arm and crank arm connection. With a Phillips screwdriver, take out the 2 screws for the crank arm cover. Using an Allen key and a wrench, loosen the bolt that holds the crank arm to the axle. If the crank does not come off easily, use a 2 or 3 jog gear puller to remove the crank arm. Remove the sticker but do not discard it. Then take out the screw. Unplug the console cable by pressing the clip and pulling the cable out. Then unplug the resistance motor cable, the in-kind cable connection, and the AC1 and AC2 power wires. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the motor control board. After mounting the new motor control board, remember to connect the black wire to AC1 and the white wire to AC2. Once this is complete, reassemble the unit.